Okay guys, let's eat Dubai Chewy Cookie for the second time. This is the most affordable na nakita ko na Chewy Cookie. Sabi nung nag-buy sa akin, it's 75 pesos each. I have 3. Laki niya guys. Parang matigas siya guys pag hindi na siya crunchy. Matigas na siya guys, parang na siyang bubog na minumuya. 75 each, okay na rin siya kung gusto nyo matry. Pero I would suggest yung kinain ko pa rin last time, masarap. Yun lang, I'm so happy kasi I love Chewy Cookie guys.